2018 Toyota Prius Prime dome light bulb replacement. It's this one right here. Basically what you want to do is get something like a flathead. It'd be better if you have like a plastic pry bar or like a butter knife and just come in between this lens and this plastic border and then just gently work your way around and push it down. The closer you are to the little metal or plastic tabs, the better. It'll pop off. Hopefully if you have two hands on it, it won't fly off like that. We'll set this aside and try not to break the tabs when you get this off. Be very patient with it, gentle. So here's the bulb. This is a LED bulb. Your bulb will probably be a fluorescent one or whatever, or I'm not fluorescent, halogen. But the way you get these out is you want to take your little flathead or whatever you got, and what I do is I go in the middle and I hit it from the back on the middle, and then it'll pop out. This is the LED bulb. I'm putting a regular bulb back in, a Toyota bulb. It's just a regular halogen style because that LED bulb was flickering a lot. Here's what it looks like. I'll put links in the description. Also, I got links to a very good LED bulb that's super bright, that you may like. That's not low quality like this one in this video. Now you want to put it on this side first because this other side moves. It's like a spring. So put your bulb on this side first, and then you'll try to push this tab with your other finger back a little bit and then slide it up like that, and then it'll go into place. Using two hands is, you'll know what I mean when you have two hands. Once you get it in place, both contacts on each side are touching. You know, it'll go up to the as far as it can. Turn it on, test it. It's good. All right, cool. Now we'll just put this lens back on. Just goes on the way it came off. What I do is I'll tuck this side in first and then go to the other side and try to push it on. It might fall off on you like that. No big deal. Just try again. Be patient. Don't rage slam it or nothing. And then there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Check the description and the comments for links. See you next video.
Guys, I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.